Welcome to the demonstration movie. Give you a quick preview of what we're going to be covering in a webinar on animation recording from the driver's position. So we've just created two very simple animation paths on this Google Earth scene. So to put a camera in the driver's position, we're going to click Animation, Camera. This opens the camera manager, and we're going to choose that we're following on the looking from, and click here, and as soon as I select the car is attached. Now I'm adjusting, we're in metric units here, the position of the camera. This is the vehicle fixed coordinate system that we're using here, and I'm going to adjust it. Whoops. These are my 100ths adjustment rate on the right hand side of the field input. So let's look at it here. This allows us to center it on the headrest, move it back to where the driver's head would be, and then click Preview. Now we see the driver's position. So when we hit play, you can see what we've got. That's one way to do it, and that makes it very, very easy. So let's not use the camera, and we're going to go over to the other vehicle now and do the same thing over there. And we can actually switch vehicles during the recording of the animation. So we're going to click on this car, go to Paint Parts. So I'm going to click on the glass, and it jumps right to it in the parts list. I can turn it off. Some of these car interiors are a little bit crude, so I'm going to be showing you another way that you can do it. In the webinar, we're going to show you how we can use scan data or an actual photograph taken from the interior of the car. So we'll go the same thing. We're going to go to Camera, New Camera, Looking From, Following, select the model, and we selected it. Now we're going to do the same thing. This is definitely a repeat. We're going to, whoops, I'm on the wrong side of the field input box, so I'm going to click here and move it and find basically centimeter or millimeter adjustments and lower it down. These are vehicle fixed coordinates that we're adjusting right now. And we'll just change our position so we can actually see what's going on here. And preview. Now that's pretty good. That's what that's what I was trying for. Now another thing that we can do is set the driver HUD. So that's asking me to now go get a picture. So I'm going to go to our training files, get my driver view, and open it up. So now I've got the actual driver's view in position, but what I want to do is set the transparent area. So I'm going to click here and open this up. And I'm going to use this tool and trace in the photograph the area that I want to be transparent. So we're going to go all the way down to here along the windshield line. So the more times you click, the neater it's going to be. So now we've got it done. So that's going to be my transparent area. I'm going to click OK, and now we can actually see through. Now when we play the video, now we're actually looking through the windscreen of the real car. Let's do that again, you'll see what I mean. Now I'm going to pause it. Notice the detail we've got here. It even has the stickers from the inside of the headliner. So very simple to do. And we'll cover more of this in the webinar in more detail, plus how to use scan vehicles, which is really amazing in terms of detail. And look forward to showing you then. Thanks.